Yeah, snores.
Say it again. Daddy snore at night?
Yeah.
How does it snore?
Snores.
How does he do?
That's Daddy snores. When he's gonna go to bed, we gonna go to bed.
What did he do with the bed?
Just get around and Daddy was putting basketball on.
Oh. So Daddy was watching basketball in the bedroom? Yeah.
And somebody broke my bed.
Somebody broke your bed? Who did it?
The guys did to broke my bed.
The guys did it?
Yeah.
What guys?
The good guys to broke it.
The good guys?
Yeah.
Who are the good guys?
Why good guy have to broke it?
Because the good guy just broke my bed.
But they're good guys though? Okay, good.
Look.
What is
Hey,
that?
show me your big balloon. That's a big one. You want to put it down so we can compare your face and balloon? Wow, that's a gigantic balloon. Where did you get that balloon? From where?
Don't knock your milk over, baby.
Look.
Say from car dealership. Can you say it, Tutu?
I can't.
You can't say it.
Look. Hey. Stop hitting me.
Is balloon bigger or Thomas bigger?
Yes, tiny.
You tiny, huh?
And this tiny too. That's a big balloon.
You just say tiny.
That's way up to the sky.
Ah,
Why? See? It's
Yeah.
way up.
yeah.
It's way up, huh?
See? It's on there. Way up. See? It's way up.
Yep.
See? My boo-boo!
Do you want balloon back?
Yes, I'm gonna get it.
You get it! Good job. Hey, can you say bye-bye first?
Tie it back on my chair.
Tutu.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.